Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm Steve.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Is this your first time to attend this business event, Rachel?
In fact, it is. I thought it'd be a great way to meet new people.
Well, you're in the right place. So, where do you work, Rachel?
As a researcher at Grant Pharmaceuticals.
That's impressive.
Thank you. And what do you do, Steve?
I work as an investment banker.
Let me guess. Do you happen to work at Silverman Backs?
In fact, I do. How do you know?
Just a lucky guess. I hear they're one of the best investment banks in New York.
Yes, it is. It's too bad I have to work long hours. I'd rather get out of the office and meet people than be stuck in the office all day.
I completely understand. These days, it seems as if everyone's stuck in the office.
Exactly, right? By the way, here's my business card. If you happen to need any banking advice, feel free to contact me anytime.
Thanks, I will. Well, here's my business card. If you also happen to need any research advice, just contact me anytime on Monday and Wednesday, afternoons only.
Sure, I'll keep that in mind. Well, it was nice speaking with you, Rachel. If you could excuse me for a moment, I need to speak to another person right now. Hope we can speak again later.
Likewise, it was nice to speak to you as well. Hi there!
Hi.
Would you like a drink?
Sure. Do you have a beer?
I sure do. Here you go.
Thanks.
By the way, I'm Kate.
I'm Sam. Good to meet you, Kate, and thanks for the beer.
You're welcome. So what brings you to this party, Sam?
Actually, my friend Christine organized this party and she invited me here.
Oh, I see. So how do you know Christine?
She and I belong to the same rowing club.
Interesting. And how long have you been rowing?
For around 7 years now. I row mainly to stay healthy. Have you ever rowed before?
I did back when I was in high school, but it was so exhausting. I'd always be sleeping during class.
I know what you mean. And how do you know Christine, Kate?
Well, I'm actually her younger sister.
Oh, really?
Yep, she asked me to serve drinks tonight to all the guests.
Well, I think you're doing a great job.
Aw, it's nothing.
Well, anyway, I think I see my friends now. It was nice speaking with you, Kate, and thanks for the beer once again.
You're welcome. Enjoy the party. Now who do I have to talk to next? Hi there. Would you like a drink?
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes?
I couldn't help but notice the front page of the newspaper you're reading. Is it true there was a big stock market crash?
I'm afraid so. I haven't seen anything like this before.
May I ask what caused this stock market crash?
Well, according to the article, it says that a rogue computer algorithm was to blame.
That sounds frightening.
It sure does. I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Robert.
Jeff, pleasure to meet you. Are you currently on business?
I am. I'm on my way to an emergency meeting in Hong Kong.
An emergency meeting? I hope it's not too serious.
Unfortunately, it's extremely serious. You see, the company I work for created the computer algorithm that caused that huge stock market crash.
Oh, dear.
4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Hello. How do you do? I'm John.
Hi, John. I'm Luvinka.
Great to meet you. I'm really sorry. Was it Lubinka?
It's pronounced Luvinka.
Luvinka.
Perfect.
So sorry about that.
That's all right. Luvinka isn't the most common name, that's for sure.
Yes, that's true. So, may I ask where you're from, Luvinka?
Well, I'm originally from Ukraine, but I moved to New York with my family when I was 4 years old.
So, you've been living here in the States for a while now.
That's right. Nearly 30 years now. How about you, John? Are you from around here?
Yes. Born and raised in New York City, but I've spent the past 5 years living in LA due to work. It's only been a month since I've returned back to the Big Apple.
Oh. May I ask what you do for work?
Sure. I'm a special effects makeup artist.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. By any chance, do you do any special effects makeup for Hollywood movies?
Actually, I did. I did the special effects makeup for the new Star Force movie.
That's amazing! You must be an incredibly talented makeup artist.
I don't know about that, but I do love my job, and I always try to do my best.
Now you're just being humble. May I ask why you decided to return to New York?
Well, to be honest, I was really homesick. I miss spending time with my family and friends.
That's understandable. Friends and family are important.
They sure are. And what about you, Luvinka? What line of work do you do?
I run my own video game company.
Oh, wow. That sounds really interesting as well. So you make video games?
Yes, have you heard of Super Bounce Boy?
Of course. Super Bounce Boy is like the most popular video game right now.
Well, I actually created that game.
You're kidding me.
It's true.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have a new guest attending our Roastmaster Speech Club. His name is Tony. This is Tony's first time to attend our speech club, so let's make him feel welcome and give him a big round of applause.
Thank you for the kind introduction, Greg. It's great to be here. My name is Tony Giamatti, and I'm 41 years old. I currently work as a programmer at Dinosaur Corporation in the IT department. For my hobbies, I enjoy scuba diving and mountain hiking every month. I came here today because I would like to improve my public speaking. Sometimes I get really nervous making presentations at work, and I feel it hurts my career. I've heard great things about Roastmaster's Speech Club and how it's a great way to not only improve my public speaking, but also increase my overall confidence. Hopefully, with the help of Roastmaster's Speech Club, I'll be able to make great presentations at work from now on. Thank you for welcoming me. And I hope to learn a lot and get better with your help. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for sharing your story, Tony. How about we give Tony another big round of applause?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.